Tonight we are going to prepare a duck. The first thing we are going to do is to rub some salt on the skin of the duck. This will make the duck less fatty because it will make the fat of the duck go away more easily. You need quite a bit of salt. Make sure you rub salt everywhere. A little bit more here and on the wings. Okay, and then turn it over. Okay, that would do. Right. Okay, this duck has been salted for half an hour. Now we are going to get rid of this liquid. Right. Now we are going to marinate the duck. And to marinate the duck, what we need, the first thing we need here is cooking rice oil. Quite a bit. And then light soy sauce. We don't need too much because it's salty and we have already used quite a bit of salt. So that's plenty. And now this is called 5-fragrance powder. Okay, that's plenty. And what I'm going to put next is ginger powder. Right, and then I'm going to put 2 star anise. And then I'm going to put some dried mandarin skin. Okay, the last thing I'm going to use here is what is called crystal sugar. Like this. Okay, got it. Turn it over. Right, now I'm going to let this duck marinate overnight, and tomorrow morning it will be ready to roast. So this duck has been marinated for one night. Now I have washed it and it's clean now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it here on this rack, and then I'm going to dry it with a paper towel. So I don't want any water on the skin. Okay, that will do. Okay, now I'm going to put some leek leaves in the cavity and some ginger and also some dried mandarin skin. Okay, I got the old mandarin skin. I'm just going to put it in the cavity. Now I'm going to use a couple of toothpicks to close the cavity. Okay, so I have closed the cavity. Now I'm going to, this is white vinegar. I'm going to pour some more white vinegar into this little bowl, and then I'm going to get some honey. I need 2 spoons of honey. The honey in the vinegar and another spoon. Okay, and mix it. Okay, now I'm going to use this brush to brush this mixture onto the skin. The reason why I'm doing this is to make the duck skin crispy when it is rotted, and make sure that you cover every inch of the skin. Okay, now I'm going to use some foil to wrap the wing tip. And the biscuit. Okay, the reason I wrap these tip bits up is because if I don't, these thin parts will get burnt easily. Okay, now the duck is ready to go into the oven. So set the oven to about 180 degrees. It's already preheated. I do it. Okay, the duck has been roasted for 40 minutes. Now I'm going to put another coat of this honey and white vinegar mixture. Then it is going to go to the oven again for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out, a third coat. And another 30 minutes, it will be done. Okay, so the duck has been roasted. It's done. All I need to do now is to slice it and serve. So we slice from the